Gunther Werks has long been celebrated as one of the most innovative Restomod specialists in the automotive world, especially for its jaw-dropping Porsche 993 builds. Known for blending classic design with modern performance, this company now steps into fresh territory with a bold upgrade package for the current generation Porsche 911 Turbo S, specifically the 990 2.1 model. With this new offering, Gunther Werks proves it's not just about nostalgia, but pushing the envelope on what a modern Porsche can become, particularly when it comes to aerodynamics, materials, and sheer exclusivity. This ambitious upgrade is launched under Gunther Werks' new GW9 brand and is developed in collaboration with Vorsteiner, a well-known leader in carbon fiber performance parts. Together, they created an 8-piece carbon fiber aerodynamic kit that elevates the 911 Turbo S beyond factory standards. It's like imagining what a Porsche GT division version of the Turbo S might look like if it were dialed up to the absolute max. The Aero package begins at the front with a massive carbon fiber splitter, designed not only to improve downforce, but also to give the car a more aggressive and purposeful stance. Attached to this splitter are small winglets and fins, all crafted from a carbon fiber that Gunther Werks claims to be 20 to 30% stronger than traditional variants. This means you're getting not only a lightweight upgrade, but one that's exceptionally durable and capable of handling high-speed forces. Around the air intakes, additional carbon fiber parts complement the splitter, seamlessly integrating form and function. Moving to the sides, the kit includes extended carbon fiber side skirts along with shrouds around the side air intakes. Interestingly, these side intakes aren't just for show. They actually enhance airflow into the engine's cooling system, proving that this isn't just a cosmetic makeover. At the rear, the upgrades continue with a brand new diffuser and a fixed rear wing, both critical for increasing rear downforce and improving high-speed stability. The entire kit fits using OEM mounting points, ensuring a clean install without requiring custom modifications. The finish options allow buyers to choose between a gloss or satin carbon fiber look, tailoring the aesthetic to personal preference. But here's where the pricing really turns heads. Gunther Werks isn't shy about the exclusivity and craftsmanship of these parts. The front splitter with winglets costs between $18,752 for gloss carbon and $20,628 for satin carbon. The front air intake trim pieces start at $6,246, while the side skirts are priced from $9,373, and side air intake trims also start at $6,246. The fixed rear wing rounds out the aero components with a price tag nearly matching the splitter at $18,762. However, the most shocking price point might actually be the set of forged magnesium wheels offered as part of the package. These wheels come in 20-inch and 21-inch sizes and cost an astonishing $25,920. These wheels alone make even the pricey carbon aero parts seem almost reasonable by comparison. They're not just wheels, they're high-end engineering masterpieces designed to reduce unsprung weight dramatically and improve handling dynamics. Gunther Werks' new GW9 package transforms the Porsche 911 Turbo S from an already legendary performer into an extreme, bespoke hypercar that stands out both visually and on the track. For owners wanting to push the boundaries of exclusivity and performance, this is the ultimate expression of what a Restomod can achieve in the modern era. In a world where automotive upgrades often run into the tens of thousands, Gunther Werks shows there's still a place for ultra-high-end craftsmanship combined with functional design. The question remains, is the sky-high price worth it for the average Porsche enthusiast? For the collector or the true Porsche aficionado, this package is the ultimate statement.